While the majority of us wait for the imagined paradise promised in the hereafter, certain people are ahead of the curve and have built a few paradises on Earth. There are dozens of hotels throughout the world, but only a few are truly wonderful. Some of these temporary living sites, such as Dubai's Burj Khalifa and India's Raj Palace Hotel, will require you to go deep into your finances to enjoy the luxury they provide. Take a seat and look around the world's most expensive hotel room. We've always believed that whatever happens in Vegas should stay in Vegas. However, not this time. Not if we're talking about an unbelievably large bill like the one from the Empathy Suite. Hi there, and welcome to Luxio. Today you're coming with us and we'll check out the world's most expensive bedroom. But before we do, click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on more of our awesome videos. The Empathy Suite is located on the upper levels of 34th and 35th of the Palms Casino Resort in the nightlife capital of Las Vegas, Nevada. Damien Hirst, a well-known British contemporary artist, designed the two-story Sky Villa. He is also the designer of two sculptures in two Italian museums in Venice Palazzo Grassi and Punta degli Dogana. This demonstrates his status as a well-known creative individual. The hotel costs a whopping $100,000 a night. Hold your breath because it's not over yet. It only allows for a two-night stay, which means you should have a paycheck of at least $200,000 in your pocket. Before you even consider saying the name Empathy Suite, keep in mind that it is just for the wealthy. Those who don't have one may always find another ordinary room in the gambling mecca of Las Vegas, which has over 130,000 hotel rooms. The hotel's ultimate production is by far the finest in any hospitality business throughout the world, after $700 million was spent on renovations. The features of the suite are very excellent. Every detail is meticulously attended to, so that when the wealthy check in, they are unaffected by the six-figure outflow from their bank accounts. The suite has asserted its autonomy as the creme de la creme of livable hotel rooms since its official launch in March 2019 at a private party hosted by Hirst himself. Two things are evident from the sentence above. One is that this is a place for men and women who have unlimited financial freedom. The suite must also prevent ridiculously outlandish elements to fit the quotation. The Heavenly Suite commands the customary imprints of Damien Hirst's artwork from the entrance. From his vast art gallery, there are 6 standalone pieces. This alone transforms the space into an art gallery. A big white tank with suspended sharks stands at the main entrance, with the names winner and loser given by Hirst. Did we mention that clients do not hurry to the internet to arrange a stay in the suite? Applicants apply for a chance to live in the world's most costly hotel room in the same way they would for a job. This is because management requires time to conduct a background check and determine whether or not the person checking in is in a financial position to cover the payment. Returning to the interior design, the remaining 5 Hirst works of art are scattered throughout the hotel suite. A few steps into a truly magnificent architectural wonder. The 9,000 square foot suite welcomes you with psychic ambience and class. The hotel's in-house bar stands out as a prominent feature. The liquor cabinet is completely equipped on a curved shelf in the 13-seater bar. The best red and white wines are available to guests. Expensive whiskey and vodka bottles are available for individuals who desire something a little stronger. This, however, is separate from the fact that a butler is on call 24 hours a day to ensure your stay is as extravagant as your bill. A medically themed bar with a built-in ice machine and an iPad that controls everything in the room are also included. 5 different climatic zones are among the iPad's autonomous features, from the hot sub-Saharan region and a cold Russian spy to choose the temperatures that their bodies are acclimated to while staying in the chamber. The curtains may be closed and opened automatically using the iPad, all from the comfort of your couch, bed, or bathroom. Unlike other hotels, when the alarm or a press button is used to contact room service, the electronics are dispersed throughout the suite. All of these services are decoded in the Empathy Suite's iPad. All of the services services will be bestowed upon you with a single finger press. The view of the Las Vegas skyline from the living area is stunning. The white leather couch is snake-like in shape and can comfortably sit up to 30 adults. A high-definition television hangs well and provides guests a dual-sided view, so it doesn't matter if you're in the kitchen or the living room. While $200,000 might easily buy you a gorgeous home in the south of France or a 3-acre beachfront property in Guatemala, a small group of wealthy individuals are content to spend it on a weekend at the Empathy Suite. Isn't that how unfair the world is? Damien's enchantment in this magnificent hotel room extends to the next room, the gaming area. The brightly designed lounge features a conventional pool table, which is a popular stress-relieving activity among frequent bank customers, and a football table made of glass. The game section of this suite is completed by a chess set. There are 2.5 fully automated bathrooms. The toilet with a Japanese theme features a device that detects anyone's presence. As a result, the door opens automatically, ready to serve you. Call of nature, if you will. 2 master bedrooms are located upstairs in the suite. Because of a large amount of room available, a fully furnished sitting area, white leather seats, and a swinging suspended oval seat may all be strategically positioned. From the walls to the stairwell, the butterfly theme is evident. The space is dominated by little butterfly images. The living area and the bar may be seen from the high view of the bedroom. A breathtaking view of Sin City is undoubtedly overpowering from the wall side. 2.5 bathrooms were stated previously, and now a large bathroom in this master bedroom. Hearst needed more than a marble bathtub. He went ahead and built a fully equipped massage room adjacent to the main bathroom, making the soaking amenities exude richness that you'd have to wait a decade to see again. An in-house masseuse is a fun method to boost productivity in the room. The Himalayan salt room is another unusual element that you are unlikely to witness in your lifetime. I completely agree that jacuzzis and saunas are typical pleasures that cost far less than $100,000 per night. The halotherapy service area will allow clients to detox and feel as fresh as an apple plucked from Eden's garden. 2 treadmills are carefully placed on your route to the second bathroom for those guests who may prefer a more involved workout. Step out of the room and encounter the floating swimming pool just when you think you've seen enough and can't take any more of the scenic splendor. The cantilevered pool is floating off the Palm Beach Hotel, encircled by wall glasses. The sight of Las Vegas Strip is alluring, as if it weren't enough. The Empathy Suite welcomes guests with a $10,000 credit that they can use during their stay. The casino is accessible by descending the stairs. Roll some dice and spend your credit card foolishly. It's no secret that this residential masterpiece was created for the wealthy rather than the rich. Consider the differences between the two. 24-hour vehicle service and a call-away chauffeur are offered for transportation purposes, allowing visitors to check out and check in at any time. The hotel suite, which was previously available for roughly $40,000 per night, has every reason to be added to the list of wonders of Las Vegas. The domination of the Mark Penthouse Suite in New York and the Royal Penthouse Suite in Geneva came crashing down when Damien Hirst introduced his Devoto-based luxury condominium for $75,000 and $80,000 per night, respectively. I hope you had fun exploring this one-of-a-kind hotel suite. What do you think is the most unbelievably awesome feature of this hotel room? Let us know in the comments. As always, thank you for supporting us. If you haven't yet, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring and valuable content like this. We'll see you in the next video.